This is Brother Barnes. We're doing a Principles of Biology low-tech review. By the way, I struggled with some of the content of this page, trying to get it specific like I like it. So perhaps there will not be many mistakes here, but I want to ask you first, the random movement of molecules from regions of high concentration to low concentration is called what? If a molecule is moved against its concentration gradient, this requires energy. It's usually in the form of ATP, and it usually occurs through a protein channel. What is this called? By the way, ATP is the first letter here as well. That's kind of how I remember these and connect these together. The control center of a eukaryotic cell is called this. DNA is found there. It's in the form of chromatin until the cell gets ready to divide, at which time it condenses into chromosomes.